Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a practical guide on how to send money from the UK to Chile. Whether you're supporting family, paying for services, or handling international business, this process can be straightforward if you know the right steps. I'll walk you through everything you need to get it done quickly and securely. First off, why send money internationally? Exchange rates fluctuate, and fees can add up, so choosing the best method saves you time and money. Let's start with the basics. There are several options: traditional bank transfers, online services like Wise or Revolut, or even Western Union for faster options. I recommend starting with Wise because it's user-friendly, has competitive rates, and low fees. Step 1. Sign up for an account on Wise's website or app. It's free and only takes a minute. You'll need to verify your identity with some basic info like your ID and address. Once you're set up, select the Send Money option. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to send in pounds, GBP, and Wise will show you the conversion to Chilean pesos, CLP, based on the current exchange rate. Keep an eye on that rate, it's usually better than banks. Step 3. Add the recipient's details, including their name, Chilean bank account info, and any required SWIFT or IBAN codes. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 4. Review the fees and total cost. Wise is transparent about this, and confirm the transfer. Most transfers to Chile take 1 to 2 business days, but it can be instant with some services. Now, a few tips. Always compare exchange rates using tools like Z or Google Finance to ensure you're getting a good deal. Be cautious of hidden fees. Some banks charge extra for international transfers. For security, use two-factor authentication and never share sensitive info via email. If you're sending larger amounts, consider the economic climate in Chile, as it might affect the recipient. There you have it. Sending money from the UK to Chile doesn't have to be complicated. Give it a try with Wise or your preferred service, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or success stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.